Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 prices has been leaked through European retailer. Also, we have the confirmation for the launch date from Bixby, and also we have a new teaser for the Galaxy Unpacked event. Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with some latest news. So guys, as far as we know, Samsung huge Unpacked event is happening, and it's happening on August 11th. Numerous rumors has pointed at that date. Samsung itself confirmed it accidentally before pulling it out on the Samsung Russian website, where it pretty much confirms the launch date and even the timing of the event. And now we have this Bixby which confirmed August 11 as the date for the next Unpacked event, and also we have a new teaser that has been arrived which pretty much confirms about the event that is going to be happening on that particular date. Basically, when you ask the Bixby when the next Unpacked event is, you get an answer in Morse code. When you run the code through Morse code translator, you will get the August 11 as a date, which pretty much confirms that this is going to be the launch date of next Unpacked event from Samsung. And here we all know that Samsung will be unveiling Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, and the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic, and finally Galaxy Buds 2 with active noise cancellation. So these are the devices that are going to be happening on the month of August. And finally, the date when Samsung is going to be providing that devices in hand when you pre-order will be on August 27th. Also, we are going to see free gifts if you pre-order devices in different markets. You may also get a 20% discount in different markets, and you can also get different gifts like Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Buds 2 alongside with Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 as a free gift. So definitely this is going to be a great move from Samsung, because right now we know that Galaxy Note line has been cancelled by Samsung this year. So honestly, I think that this is going to be a great move if the pricing of the devices is going to be even lower. And talking about the pricing, well, we have the new pricing detail that has been arrived through the European retailers, and also we have got information through the Twitter leakster which clearly indicates that there are going to be two different variants for both the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 devices. So basically, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G 256 gigs variant will be coming with a price tag of 1678 euros, whereas the 512 gigs variant will be coming with a 2165 euros price tag for that particular device. Also, the European retailer confirmed that Z Flip 3 5G will be coming with a 128 gigs variant, which will make the cost under 1000 euros. And according to the Twitter leakster, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 128 gigs variant will be costing you around 978 euros. So definitely this is going to be a great option. The other variant for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G will be a 256 GB variant, and it will cost you around 1350 euros. And this new model will be available in wide variety of colors, so definitely check out them. So guys, when we compare the leaked Korean prices, both models are much more expensive than that, so take these numbers with a pinch of salt. Meanwhile, Dbrand posted a tweet showing a variety of skins and wraps of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, so definitely you can check out that as well. So guys, all in all, this is definitely going to be a great Unpacked event, because we are going to see the foldable devices which are even cheaper than their previous models. And here, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here.